Hi mga kamoto, this is Division 101 and for today's video, it's again tonight's video, we will explore Ikamay, Tonglor, Sukhumvit area gamit pa rin ang ating Zontis 368G. This is the night ride with my wife, Mommy Daisy Diary. This is Ikamay and this is the Donkey Mall here in Ikamay. So still we are using our Insta360 X3 for our footage, and this is Tonglor by night. Napakatahimik, napakaganda, maraming lights. Ayan, masarap mag-rides paggabi, but a piece of advice, please always wear your helmet when you ride. By the way, mga kamoto 101, here in Thailand, they already implement strict implementation of wearing helmet, even yung mga back ride natin. So now, we will roam around Tonglor and Sukhumvit area, and we will see kung meron ba talagang nanguhuling mga pulis sa daan pagkagabi. So ayan, come with us with Mommy Daisy Diary and we will explore together. So ito ngayon ang Sukhumvit na daan. Alam nyo ba guys, to give you an heads up, Sukhumvit ay isa sa pinakamahabang daan sa buong Thailand. Abot ito yata ng Pattaya, if I am not mistaken. So kung sasakay ka ng taxi, please be aware na pag sinabi mong Sukhumvit, alam mo yung kung anong number ang papuntahan, or else you will reach Pattaya. So ayan, napakatahimik ng daan. This is going to Unot. Ayan, so this is our night ride with my wife. So this is Unot now. Kung sa straight ka, you will be going to Bangna, and this one is going to meron nga. Ayan, ito naman ngayon guys, nakapara si Kuyang Pulis, but so far to tell you frankly guys, the police here in Thailand are very polite. So tinanong niya kung taga saan tayo, sabi natin tayo Thai, at alam niyang English tayo, so binigyan tayo ng isang pulis na makapag-English. Sinabihan tayo na tanggalin yung helmet natin kasi ang mangyari guys, pa-blue tayo kung meron ba tayong alcohol content sa ating katawan. Nagtanong siya kung taga saan, sabi natin taga isang Philippine at mga teachers, kaya sabi niya, oh teachers, so you can go now. So ayan, naka-helmet tayo, but itong si Kuyang Pulis yung pumarasan kanina, parang excite siya looking our Zontis 368G. He look up the camera, rear camera, tinanong niya yung friend niya na this camera, and sabi ng friend niya na pulis, meron din sa harap. Sabi niya, itong isa, ano itong isa? So yan sa harap ay Insta360. Kaya tinanong niya kung ano tayo, sabi ko teachers, but we are also YouTuber. Sabi niya, anong channel? Kaya binuksan agad natin ang ating U-Box at binigyan, hanap tayo ng sticker ng Division Moto 101 sticker para bigyan natin si Kuyang Pulis. So we are looking, but he is not satisfied for that, so he wants the name in YouTube. Kaya ang nangyari ay kinuha niya yung cellphone niya at pinag-type niya yung ating YouTube channel. At hindi lang pala ito huli, kasi si Kuyang Pulis ay our immediate subscriber. Ganyan sila, very, very supportive yung mga Thai in terms of your social media YouTube channel. So ayan, sabi ni Kuyang Pulis, just type your channel so that I can subscribe your channel. So shout out Kuyang Pulis, I don't know your name, but shout out, they are very respectful and polite. hindi sila mga balasubas na mga pulis. Kaya sabi niya, you miss your new subscriber, at pinalis tayo nila ng walang ano-ano mga ka-101. So here in Thailand, shout out sa ating mga policemen. They are very polite. They are doing their checkpoint. By the way, that is in front of Big Sionot. So this is now the Sukhumvit 71. Yan, patuloy yung rides natin. Natawa nga si Mami Daisy Diary. Sabi niya, huli pero naging subscriber. Kumplito naman tayo mga ka-101. Our bikes already have the license and registration. Actually, hindi naman sila dito sa Thailand, hindi naman sila humihingi ng lisensya, rehistro ng motor, kasi pag meron kang sticker of tax, meaning to say your motorcycle is already registered. So, hindi sila masyadong makulit dito. Hindi katulad sa atin sa Pinas, na medyo makulit at medyo stricto yung mga kapulisan natin sa ating mga motor. But dito, love nila yung mga motor, mga Kamoto 101. So, safe drive tayo. We always wear our helmet to enjoy our night ride with our wife, Mami Daisy Diary. Ito lang yung mga ginagawa namin, guys, mga ka-101, mga kamoto, dito sa Thailand during night time. So, ikot-ikot, tinitingnan yung mga daan-daan dyan, napuntahan yung mga lugar na gustong puntahan. Kasi naman, safe to travel kahit gabi o kahit madaling araw o araw mismo dito sa Thailand. Kasi alam mong protektado ka, hindi lang ng mga policemen, also sa kapwa nating mga driver. So, but see to it that when you drive, you wear your protective gear. So, shout out to our friends, also our Thai friends that using Suntis 368G and other Suntis motorbikes. Shout out. So this area is a Klongtan area, going back to Patanakan and Pichaburi Road, and then pabalik sa Ikamay. So again, we are using our Zontis 368G. Ang ganda ng Zontis, mga kamoto, meron na siyang auxiliary light na kasama. Meron din siyang blinker na kasama sa pagkuha mo. So far, so good yung ride natin using also our Insta360. Maraming nagtatanong kung anong camera ang gamit ko. Isa lang camera ang gamit ko, mga kamoto. Insta360 lang sa harap. Ito naman ngayon is the Insta360 sa likod. So kuha yung likurang bahagi footage. So you can have your mount at the back. Hindi pa kasi nalagyan ng top box yung sa likod, pero maybe, hopefully soon we can put our top box. Ayan yung mga sasakyan dito sa Thailand, guys. That is, if I'm not mistaken, that's Ipon or Maserati. This is the Mercedes. Yan, this is Ikamay area. Akala mo naka-drone kami ni Mami Daisy, but hindi po. That's only Insta360 recommended camera para sa ating mga kamoto 101. If you are fan of taking video while you are traveling, use the Insta360. So going back home, nice and enjoy ang ating trip, and we have our new subscribers, our policemen. So happy tayo. See you next time for our next video. Home sweet home. Again, keep safe driving and enjoy while you are using your motorbike. Shout out Sontis 368G user. Till next time, have a great day everyone. God bless and be happy always. Home sweet home.